This training is going to cover the parent folder and inline metadata. The parent folder is basically the location of where your new file or page is going to go. If this location is not correct and you need to move it, you can simply click the Browse button and search for a different folder. Please make sure that you are checking this and that things are going into the proper locations. The reason that I say this is because if it doesn't go to the right location, you will not be able to move it afterwards. You'll have to request it to be moved by the web services team, so either contact Amanda Andreessen or Thane Webb. After our parent folder, we have the inline metadata. First, we have display name. Display name is going to be the first title that you see on the page. Display name is optional, but if you don't fill it in, it will default to what's filled into the title field. The reason we have the option of display name is just to be more descriptive within the content. After that, we have title. Title is what's going to display in the breadcrumbs and in the navigation on your right-hand side. After title, we have keywords. Keywords are going to be the search terms that people are going to use to find your page. So this is going to be individual words separated by commas. This field is also required. Last field to fill in is description. Description is also required. It's going to help with search as well, but the purpose of it is to provide a description when people do search, and so when you get that result, you get a description of what's on the page. Last thing in the inline metadata is whether to include the page in the navigation line. This will allow you to determine whether the page shows in your departmental or folder navigation on the right-hand side. You can see examples of that here. The website training materials title is pulled in from the display name. Well, actually, in this case, is actually pulled in from the title because you can see it is the same as the title, which you can see over here in the navigation as well. And since we have these pages set to show in the navigation, they show up in this right-hand side.